Hello and welcome to Synonyms Test Homework 2. So synonyms is another word for similar words. So in 11 plus vocabulary, we have synonyms, we have definitions, we have antonyms. Antonyms are the opposite. So in these particular questions, it says choose the word that is most similar in meaning to the word given below. So the word here is dreary. Now the meaning of dreary, I would say, let's just write this down for you, could be depressing or boring or very dull. Depressing, boring, or very dull. So in this case, we have a keyword here. We've got dull, which will be very appropriate as a similar word in terms of meaning for the word dreary. Whereas doting, dependable, devoted, and pleasant don't actually match the meaning of dreary. So we can choose dull in this particular instance. And all the questions are very different to each other, by the way. So if you'd like to look them up in terms of meanings in the dictionary, whether it's a manual dictionary, you have paper dictionary, or you've got internet dictionary, feel free, because any research is good work. And good luck with these. Thank you.